Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest and insightful reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best flosser sticks available, the Plackers Microline Dental Floss Picks. With a whopping 300 count in every pack, these floss picks are designed to make your oral care routine quicker and more effective than ever. Whether you're at home or on the go, these floss picks will ensure your teeth stay clean and your gums stay healthy. Now, let's talk about why the Plackers Microline is so highly rated. The first thing you'll notice is the ToughFloss technology, which is engineered to never stretch, shred, or break. This floss is built to withstand even the toughest of food debris and leave your teeth feeling fresh and clean after every use. The built-in flip pick feature is also a game changer. If you've ever struggled with reaching those hard-to-get spots between your teeth, the fold-out toothpick will easily solve that problem. Not only does it help clean tight spaces, but it also folds away for safety and convenience, which is great for on-the-go storage. One of the best parts about these floss picks is the quick-fix grip. This grip gives you total control, making it easier to reach those tricky spaces between your teeth and gums. You'll be able to navigate your mouth with comfort and precision. And with the fresh mint flavor, not only will your teeth be clean, but your breath will feel minty fresh all day long. What really sets these apart is the ease of storage. The Plackers Microline comes in a sure zip seal bag, which keeps everything neatly organized and ready to use whenever you need it. Whether you're traveling or just keeping them in your bathroom drawer, they're always easy to access and mess-free. In summary, the Plackers Microline Dental Floss Picks are the perfect combination of effectiveness, convenience, and value. They're easy to use, have a great minty flavor, and offer excellent durability with the ToughFloss technology. Whether you're at home or out and about, these floss picks should definitely be a part of your daily routine. Stay fresh, keep those gums healthy, and trust Plackers to take care of your smile. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.